Welcome to Centered Healers. I'm Debbie Jo, and this space is for anyone on the healing journey who needs a moment to come back to their center. Today, we'll do a short 5-minute grounding meditation so you can release stress and reconnect with your calm, steady self. Take a breath in and let it out. Allow yourself to settle in a comfortable position. Bring your attention to your body. Notice your shoulders. Let them relax and drop. Notice your jaw. Release any tightness. Notice your chest rising and falling. With each exhale, feel a little more at ease. Take your time. Let your breath guide you. Now, imagine roots extending from the soles of your feet, gently weaving into the ground. With every breath, feel those roots grow deeper and steadier. Notice the earth's quiet strength holding you. Solid, safe, unshakable. As you breathe in, you draw up calm and nourishment. As you breathe out, you release tension, fear, or anything that no longer serves. Stay here for a few breaths and feel the exchange. Imagine that steady earth energy flowing up through your body, into your legs, your heart, your mind. Feel yourself becoming fully present, fully connected. You are supported. You are safe. You are here. Take one last deep breath in and let it go. Begin to wiggle your fingers and toes, gently returning. When you are ready, open your eyes, carrying this calm, grounded energy with you into the rest of your day.